How to hide unwanted message requests on Instagram. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I am on my Instagram profile. So from here you want to go to those three lines from the right top corner and then click on the first option, which is settings, and then here you have to click on privacy. And then here, as you can see, we have at the interactions the second option, which is hidden words. So click on that. And then here you have to go to the third option, which is hide message requests. So message requests that may be offensive will be moved to the hidden requests folder. We'll also filter notification for these messages. So you have to turn this on. And you can also go down to manage custom word list, and you can click to add to list, and from here you can choose some multiple words, phrases and emojis. So if you receive a message which contains one of these words or phrases or emojis, then this will go to the hidden folder. So you can click here and type something, and then we can go back and click on the last option, which is hide message requests. So message requests containing words from your list that I showed you before will be moved to the hidden requests folder. We'll also filter notification for these messages. So let's go back now. And then if we go to messages, then if we go to requests, we can scroll down, and at the end we'll see a folder which is hidden requests. So here you will find all your unwanted messages. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.